Hi guys, I am back with another video. Yours truly. Please do not forget to actually comment on these videos and engage with me so that we can grow this family and we can be able to help each other reach our goals. So today I'm back with yet another video, and today's topic is a healthy habits to follow in 2022. We know that as small business entrepreneurs, we normally neglect the fact that we undergo a lot of pressure and self-doubt, and we lose confidence in actually driving and do what we want to do best. So these habits will be just a guide for us to follow through and actually keep a healthy mind and healthy mental health. So without further ado, let us dive into the tips for today. The first tip is tracking your spending. When you run a business, you need to make sure that you track your spending. You track how much money you use, how much money you give to yourself, how much money you reinvest in your business. The purpose for starting a business is to actually gain financial freedom. So with keeping track of your finances, it will give you confidence in actually knowing how much you make and how much profit you make from whatever business that you do, because we want to avoid having more expenses than profit. The second one is setting boundaries. We need to refrain from allowing people closer to us to take advantage. Your friend will come to you and be like, sell me your product, I can buy it. You're selling it for 50 rands and they want to buy it for 10 rands. That's a loss for you because you have a business to run at the end of the day. So we need to keep healthy boundaries and set those boundaries that a business is a business and it needs to perform like one. No family, no friends. It applies to everyone. If it's 50 rands, rather if you are a family member, you pay me 55 rands. That's all I can say. The next point is prioritizing rest and self-care. Self-care is very important for your mental health because you are able to reset, analyze, and be able to implement whatever you want to implement into your business and to watch your business grow from one strength to the next. That goes with your mental health. If you are not under pressure and you do things in time and you are able to take care of yourself, it will show because your business is going to flourish. The other point is surround yourself with supportive, uplifting people. Do not keep negative people in your circle because they are going to affect you and your business, because they always have something negative to say. They always criticize your efforts. They always have the wrong energy towards you and whatever you are trying to build. So refrain from keeping people who have that bad aura next to you, because it's not good for your mental health and it's also not good for the progression of your business. The other is cleansing your social media. Make sure that you follow people who uplift you, who motivate you. Social media is a tool that can help you achieve things, but at the same time it is responsible for us doubting ourselves most times, because people show lifestyles that we cannot afford at this point in time. People do not explain that I might have this business and it's running to its optimal best at this point in time, but at some point I couldn't make sales. They make it seem easy. So make sure that you cleanse your social media. Follow people who are going to motivate you. Follow people who are going to actually be instrumental to your growth at all times. Then the other tip is self-belief and confidence. You need to believe in yourself. you need to be confident in yourself. You need to ensure that you believe in your own vision before you can convince any other person to believe in what you do. So that is very, very important. Keep that in mind, and you will go a very long way, because we know that sometimes you might want to do a business, and in nowadays businesses require people to engage with people. They require you to be in front of the camera so that you can promote whatever services that you deliver. That way you need to have confidence for you to actually show people that whatever you do is of a need to them, and it will help them resolve whatever problems that they have. As they say that when you start a business, you need to make sure that whatever products or services that you offer are able to solve someone else's problems. Then the last point is for you to do what makes you happy. Do not go with trends and find yourself stuck doing something that you do not love doing. So do it for your happiness. Do something that feeds your soul. Do something that uplifts you as a person. Do something that you are able to do even if you wake up in the morning, you have no doubt in your mind that you want to do it. That will get you a very long way, and it will keep a healthy relationship between you and your business and your finances, and you shall find stability within yourself, and whatever you do will flourish. Other than that, I hope these tips will help you, will guide you, and you'll find them informative. See you on my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed.